Greetings to our Lord Phi Theta Fraternity Incorporated. Ow! Greetings to the everlasting, ever-loving, excellent chapter of Alpha Phi Alpha Fraternity Incorporated. Greetings to the lovely woman of Phi Nu Kappa Sorority Incorporated. Your loveliness, beauty, torrent, and grace embodies all that is to be desired. Splendid like a diamond, you are truly forever held in our hearts. I welcome the sophisticated, motivated, dedicated, lovely woman of Phi Nu Kappa Sorority Incorporated. Greetings to the brave and bold big brothers of Alpha Phi Kappa Fraternity Incorporated. Your honor and strength match that of an angel. Fierce and strong, honor is blessed to your face, whatever comes your way. I welcome the ultimate gentlewoman of Alpha Phi Kappa Fraternity Incorporated. Hey, sorry! Oh, dude! Greetings to the most fascinating convinced, but not conceited, big brothers of Alpha Phi Kappa Fraternity Incorporated. You are the boldest, truest brothers that ever walked the face of the earth. So fresh, so clean, so tight in our sight, Alpha Phi Kappa Fraternity is dynamite. Alpha Phi Kappa Fraternity was founded on August 17, 2001 in Tallahassee, Florida by 5 Eternal Diamonds. Eternal Diamond Deshaun Benjamin, Eternal Diamond Vermeil Haynes, Eternal Diamond Roland Scarborough, Eternal Diamond Robert Smith, Eternal Diamond John Manuel. This organization lives by the principles of brotherhood, scholarship, service, and leadership. A man of Alpha Phi Kappa Fraternity is a man of dedication, a man of distinction. He knows he's served as a role model to this community and will never do anything to tarnish that image. He knows that in order to improve his community, he must engage those within to support that change. We invite everything it takes to be that man. We are the leaders of our community. We are the role models to our youth. We are the professionals who see our work to our community. We have and will continue to hold and submit the bond of this brotherhood for these reasons, because we are the men of Alpha Phi Kappa Fraternity Incorporated. The London chapter was recorded on November 8, 2008 by none other than my brother ADP Majestic. How will I take some time to introduce these solo Florian brothers? Being great, powerful, and full of force, and inspiring, I introduce you to my brother, Impact. For a man who is tranquil in his better, in his good, and in his success, and in his power, he keeps his composure even during a time of discomfort. I introduce you to none other than my big brother, Tranquility. He who is amazing, prominent, and well known, he who is my big brother. Notorious.
You better say it, boy.
Notorious.
That's what they call me.
He has the ability to remain silent, but has the ability to erupt. Y'all better run for cover. For my brother, eruption. Beware of the unforeseen. Expect the unexpected. Prepare for my brother, and he found that in a whole baptism.
Oh, God.
Oh, brother. Impossible.
Okay.
It'll be a near perfection.
Well,
You remember the day you crossed that line.
Better sing.
Told you were now part of that first side. And from that day on, you made it vow. You're the heir to the kingdom. You made them proud.
Who you talking about?
Ain't nobody like majestic. Ain't nobody as the precious. Ain't nobody as the carrier. You surely royalty. I introduce to you Mark the 2083. Majestic. He who is eloquent, educated, and oh so exquisite. He who is puzzled but never questioned, and never duplicated but always imitated, elusive to the art, generator of inspiration, mysteriously created unauthentic confusion. I introduce to you Martin Luther, Enigma.
Give me the Greek alphabet.
Alphabet gamma delta epsilon zeta eta kappa.